In this video, we'll give a quick overview of Showcase settings, one of the key features of JSN ImageShow. On the admin site, go to JSN ImageShow Showcase via the component menu item. This is the Showcase Manager page. From here, you can create a new showcase by clicking on the New button, or edit an older showcase to see Showcase Settings page. In this video, we'll create a new one. Here you can see two tabs, General and Theme. On the General tab, you need to enter the showcase title. With the Publish function, select Yes to publish the showcase. An order allows you to select showcase position amongst others. In the dimension area, overall width allows you to add the overall width of gallery presentation. Users can specify either pixels or percentage values. An overall height allows you to set the height of the gallery, defined only by pixels. Next, in the Theme tab, you can see all the themes of JSN ImageShow. To show them all, we need to save this new showcase. Now all the themes are listed. By default, Classic Theme is installed. Many themes have not yet been installed. They are Theme Slider, Theme Grid, Theme Carousel, Theme Strip, Theme Flow, Theme Pile, Theme Masonry, and Theme Flip. Select Theme Classic for this example. Now in the Theme tab, you can see two areas, one for setting panel and one for live preview. If you want to change the theme, just click on the Change Theme button to select a new one. Showcase settings have now been introduced. Thank you for watching. Please check our other videos to learn more about how to work with JSN ImageShow.